Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to English with Fana. Today, we are going to learn how to say happy without using the word happy. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit thumbs up if you like this video. The word happy is such an overused word in our daily conversation. We always use the word happy when we feel good about something. Without wasting any time, let's level up with 12 words to replace happy. Number 1. Cheerful. Cheerful. For example, how can she be so cheerful at 6 o'clock in the morning? Number 2. Content. Content. For example, I feel warm, cozy, and content. Number 3. Delighted. Delighted. For example, we were delighted to see her this morning. Number 4. Ecstatic. Ecstatic. For example, I am so ecstatic for this weekend. Number 5. Elated. Elated. For example, he was elated at the news of her arrival. Number 6. Glad. Glad. For example, I am glad that you have found a job. Number 7. Joyful. Joyful. For example, we are joyful about this event. Number 8. Joyous. Joyous. For example, she made their childhood so joyous and carefree. Number 9. Jubilant. Jubilant. For example, they were jubilant over their victory. Number 10. Pleased. Pleased. For example, she was pleased to welcome me to her home. Number 11. Thrilled. Thrilled. For example, I am so thrilled to ride the roller coaster. Number 12. Upbeat. Upbeat. For example, he was upbeat about his company's future. That's all for today. I hope to see you again in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit thumbs up if you like this video, and comment your favorite word to replace happy. Also, do follow me in all my social media accounts. I have Instagram at English with Fana and a Facebook page. Till next time, bye beautiful people. Mwah!